hand in everything and want to shop. I may be correct. No, I feel not they correct too, but from my own view, because I follow that story in total, and from my following, I know when they give the money. I don't remember how much the money be, but it was. I beg. I think are we alive on? People will see us alive. I beg. Help me put the money. How much exactly governor been give the wives of the ex-servicemen wey die, so that we can know how much the money be. Then from there we go know how e take concern una. What if the wife of the ex-serviceman wan start business? What if the widow or the woman no get any child? What if the children no dey school again? Why must it be scholarship? Can't you people think of a scheme? Can't you think of how to set these people up in business? Okay, this is the money. How many una be? Okay, all of una all together una be 100 people. This 100 people now with the money wey governor give, if we share am, e go reach una 500,000. Okay, 500,000. Madam, come. Wetin you go like to do? We have 500,000 naira for you. If the woman say, I wan begin open mama put, buy me cooler, give me a bag of rice, give me beans, give me this, make I start to cook. Help me find a place. I stay there, they cook my food. From there, the money go begin multiply, go begin increase. Sepave. That is adding and adding money to the woman to continue her life. If the woman say, no, my own akara, I wan begin fry, or I don dey fry akara before, I want to improve the akara, you help her. The only thing you are supposed to do is to make sure that the money is used judiciously. You can help them to monitor the business and see say the business dey grow. What is scholarship? What if the children don't want to even go school? What if, so say, as the head of the child no reach to enter school, you wan learn work, or you wan go fashion, you wan learn fashion work, you wan go salon, you wan do any other thing wey no follow school. So una go say you no follow for scholarship, so you no go do, because now una say una wan verify only qualified children of the ex-servicemen. What if the man born first before he marry, or the woman born first he marry? E no be bona fide? Abi the child too no qualify? See, I know they no say make una help them run family. They say make them help the widows. No come run their family for them by saying who go school and who no go school. Must everybody go to school? Must all of us go to school in the first place? To say scholarship only, now only scholarship una wan do? Qu'est-ce que c'est Jean l'appelle toi la thinker? How do you people think self sometimes? Finally on the matter of the money, we say empower the women so that they will not need to come back again to come and be looking at anybody. The money.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
I still not only me and you.
To suffer you.
You don't suffer me well.
If I don't tell you sorry, still come holla. I withdraw the sorry.
Okay, I can still holla.
Then no sorry.
Fine. No say sorry. Let me holla you. You say New Year resolution, and you first reshare on the first day of the year.
Let me first come now.
I can't say Michael has turned a new leaf.
I have.
But what you turn a new flower? You don't even follow for leaf at all. Now flower, now you turn.
Nothing clear enough.
See, you have disappointed your industrial. Okay, and your cooling van.
Chief Moses.
Ofiafate, our guy.
He called me this morning to 7. Say, wait a minute, that registration number again. I got to last 95.1. It's okay. Now, cause okay, since 7 down the knock. Might just take small snap. Small sleep.
Snap. Oh, I think it's another drink.
No, I didn't drink alcohol.
I
didn't drink.
It wasn't a snap, not
I didn't drink hardcore. I didn't drink thank you, sir. Don't call thank you, sir. You have no idea.
I just said a red mud. I said you take hardcore. I just said a red mud. You take or ashpan.
So I can't sleep small. My brother,
for this Hamatan, Michael.
This Hamatan came out 3 days before this.
3 days ago.
Kule,
3
that
days
small
ago.
sleep. And my mother go to drop my daughter for school, so I can't feel safe.
When she come back.
She will come back. Yes, 5 minutes past 7.
Who is you? Oh, Chief again. I'm gonna call him now. Call him.
Say, no, put Chief already. Say, I'll come back 5 minutes to 7. So that I go wake up by that time, by 7:30, I don't reach here. My brother. Yeah. I don't know where she go branch her own. No. Oh boy.
She get her plans.
By the time I wake up, see time 7:30, I'm mad.
7:30. So you bath so?
Abafu.
You sure?
Na shower they use. I get to make the water hot small.
Can you imagine?
Because I'm a tan. Coming to enter AC here. Because if you don't talk at all. You not tell me to talk at all.
No, now una ban am. I dey tell una that day, una don ban am.
Talk so.
I dey even ask her question, say you no dey even answer me. I tire only for myself.
Talk. Yeah, man. I go tell you only cool the hospital.
Only me now, come be like only me one.
That small hot water I wait because as I open the shower, I turn out to left. Make it hot. You know hot well, I close and back. And they say, oh, I don't die today. Oh, I don't die today.
You for bath cold water for the sake
and I
of
don't go feel come out without bath because yes, you dey here. If you no bath, come here. It's the worst part.
You go white.
You don't resemble like we Fulani herdsmen.
Anyway, Port Harcourt people,
So please,
so happy to have Michael here.
I'm happy to be here finally. If you see what I drive for road, people they say this man is the mad. You won't kill yourself. I say this.
But at least you Sabi Road. You not lost like some people.
This area. Oh, can you lost?
But you hear about the money.
You have concluded.
How much be the money? Now the money I don't remember.
I think the 500 million. Where governor be say
He reach.
it be like he reach 500 million.
Reach like
The
that.
500 million. It be like because
Me I never thought 30 million.
no. About
Like 500 million. Where they give to ex-service women and wife. Now they don't form board.
There is one thing where you one point where you know
Why no
where
point?
you no point out.
Help me.
Not be every ex-service man don't die.
Something.
Oh, I think see. Oh, I even forget that myself. I think it's the only people
They
where
talk
die.
as if people don't die. No.
I even forget that side.
That January 15 Remembrance Day. Now for all the people who fight to keep Nigeria together.
Okay.
Some are still alive. Many are alive. And them much. Now them be the legion them now.
Okay,
Those
now the
people
religion,
are
yes.
legion.
Okay.
So
which means
now
the money self, then self can even still use them.
locally.
Oh,
It depends on I don't remember exactly how the governor put the word though, but it depends on how you talk about. When I say education endowment fund follow, maybe in talk so. I don't remember. I tried to watch out for Facebook to listen to the speech, but the talk been long, so I can't
Give
it
up.
be like either my data or something finish. I just okay no my Wi-Fi come they show red instead of green. So I come verse leave and that was what making no go back.
No,
But
wahala.
Kule, I've told you.
No need.
Stop shouting.
I will shout. On this one, I will shout.
Listen.
I will shout.
Dead body, they come collecting money after some time. No.
It's okay. It's okay.
If I get body money,
Now dead body money they collect through to straight.
even fella sing and say, dead body get the accident. Yeah, pa.
Okay.
So those people don't die in the legion. Where their children, they were like you talk, some don't finish school, some no go school, some no get pikin.
Some yeah, and some no even go
Some
school.
no even want go
Go
school.
school.
Some don't learn handwork, mechanic. Some now they tight knot for Kayode cinema. And all those ones they tight knot.
When they put
When they
the
draw the
when they put the
canopy.
thing for your eye.
On the cinema. Those ones no, they don't go feel that work when they don't they do. Now
Say, come
say
go
they
school.
want go school. It's a good thing to go to school.
Yeah,
They
very
don't
good.
make her look like say
No.
no.
We don't even go that side.
Uh-huh.
What we just dey talk be say, make the money. If na scholarship,
say
they won't put only all the money. Then all of the
Maybe.
people wey suffer, they suffer.
maybe we need to know the chairman
Of the
of
board.
the
committee
money
when they
of the
set
team.
up.
Thank
Shey,
you.
we
I
need to
beg,
know.
but I got people.
Una dey
As usual, as na the day very useful to us.
helping us.
Kindly give us the number
And name of the person
and
wey
the
dey
name of the person.
wey dey in charge of the money distribution.
You know some people wey dey alive wey no too dey alive too. Because somebody tell some people wey fight that war. You see that war my papa dey alive fit tell us say that war, that Biafra war. People wey dey shoot, shelling to shell, wey dey shell, wey dey you know when they dey push for hand.
Yes, that bazooka.
That bazooka motor.
Wey dey call cannon.
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 The no be cruise. No they call cruise.
The one wey dey shoot for burial.
That one no be that type. The one be say e get two leg. Then they plenty dey push am.
Push am go reach
When they reach one place, one go load. The other one go close his ear, shift go back. One go shoot am. Boom. You go go land for Itungwa. You know they call it Itungwa.
enemy side.
And then they come from home here. So now they call am shelling shock. Those people they shell and then they shell.
Okay.
They shell, no be shell of oil company. Now that shock of the people they shoot at, the things that affect their ear and their brain. So
when they do the boom,
sometimes they will just do the on their own. They hear the boom boom.
So they see the hear them now.
It's trauma.
Even if you just near them say, and they go oh boom now, but they go shake. Oh.
Any loud noise they don't react.
They call them post-traumatic stress. So those people,
Boom post.
they're not normal like us. Meanwhile, they see their life. So you can't chop their money. Their money follow in the that is dead body, that is near dead body, and that is absolute dead body. So this two of this group is alive. Absolute, say don't finish. So now,
like those ones where we say
Please.
hand cut,
hand cut, leg
Tekena
cut.
is already with us on Funky
Tekena
Fun.
dey
on
yes.
Yes, he's with us. You don't join us on Facebook. We can see you. Can see you.
We can see you and you cannot see us.
Yes.
So
Michael, so we don't leave that matter.
Yeah.
I don't also complain of MOT.
the emotive, I see for Facebook, I say I go
You
talk.
see how people complain?
Wait. Apart from the complaint, I see for Facebook, was it on Tuesday, where Ibibia Waters, Honorable Chief Ibibia Water, the Honorable Commissioner
For
for
transport.
Transportation, okay, transport, now federal
The
transportation. Now, in go catch some people,
Ooh,
the snapper,
good.
in catch some people. People come the right say, the commissioner is doing well, commissioner has started doing his work, yes, he don't catch people and all that. So now, those people will catch.
Very good. Yeah.
But for the faces of those people no clear way for me.
Yeah.
Why can't Tekena be?
Why Tekena be always
bushman? Just in there inside Facebook.
with singlet?
With singlet.
They like.
Come, from
they like
where you
Baba.
dey, this is to 12 in the afternoon. Do you have to appear with singlet like this? But then they go the training where you go for. He joined the video as a guest. But you didn't talk.
I don't know for him.
So now, no, we don't put them on because if you put them on, our own talk with them.
Yeah.
So he go catch some people. Then I can't see one of the pictures, those banner them. Where they write, that banner where they write the River State Government, Ministry of Transport,
okay, and Road Reconstruction.
Road Reconstruction Committee.
Yeah.
So I see they don't tear the banner.
Hallelujah. Oh, you see how God is working.
They tear the banner,
Very good.
tear them, hold them as evidence to
prove.
prosecute those people that they are illegal.
Yes.
Now, as a matter of fact, the commissioner had moved into action. You know, if you call her in English, they're easy.
No.
Let's leave him.
Let's leave him.
Let's leave him.
The only thing my happiness is this report where you bring
No, I
now.
see him on
He
Tuesday.
don't move.
He moved.
God bless you.
Now he has to
Matter
continue
appeals.
the movement.
It should not, so that it
Make
will not
it clean
recover.
them up. Make it no move one side only. We only discuss that people waiting for when you record East-West Road by Elimi Junction side coming
Yes.
from Tank.
Tank, yes.
Good.
That is good.
Then at that side didn't go because I see the banner. I said,
that
I'm
one.
on Facebook.
Yes. So
But
making those say they
make-
still get other small branches.
Small pockets. It's called pockets.
Pockets of
Soft target.
Soft targets. And pockets of
one day
branches.
for that slaughter as you are
And
going
that
from
GTC. That GTC now.
uh-huh.
As if they go to that Okuru roundabout.
Exactly before you reach the roundabout.
Exactly.
Exactly.
One
One day
is
there.
one department. Uncompleted buildings.
Building.
The areas that they are spoiling your name.
And my problem is that now individuals they get this land, they go come go hire them to they do evil with your land. Every evil.
Sometimes the individual no say they
Now
are
waiting
waiting
they do am.
because you know when you don't buy land,
For keep am.
buying of land only is one thing.
We don't come out for.
After we are coming,
Okay.
no friend.
Okay.
After you buy land finish, fencing of the land is another thing. As you fence the land finish,
Much bigger thing.
now the main bigger thing is digging the foundation. First of all, architect we go draw
No.
for
engineer.
For where?
But
We
no,
go
engineer
take-
go don
we go
do
take
before
the
you buy.
permit.
survey.
Survey.
Yeah.
Survey.
After the survey, you go come go. Those days, though, it don't stop, and I hope it don't stop. Of say you go come go meet Obiapo, meet this, meet that. But Obiapo go sign your
Paper now.
your plan. They go stamp your plan. You go pay.
Definitely.
Then the Ministry of Urban Development (MUD) go also.
They don't start now.
No, then now
This is-
these are the laws.
Okay.
They also stamp your paper to show say they monitor wetin you wan build. So you no wan build house wey after 2 weeks go fall kill people. No, it's their statutory job.
When you say you go approve bungalow, come go build 3-story building.
So you go there, they approve am for you. They go look am well. They get engineers wey be experienced engineers for ministry. They go look am. Then when they don get those 2 papers, there's some kind of boys on their own. When nobody send, go bust out.
We know them.
They know the area, so they go to the look face.
Yes.
Say now we in charge of this area. Now we say where your paper.
One way be the lead decide where I've been there.
They don't catch am.
No, they don't catch. He don't become big man now. He was even a former caretaker chairman.
Now, as a matter of fact, all of these things, when you don't get them finished, you go now confirm money to dig within the run draw for you. It's called set out. You go first do your set out. Then from the set out now, wood they use do am. The wood go draw within the paper for ground. Then you begin dig. As you dig finish, you come blind. When you blind finish, if now upstairs, you pin all the pillars from ground they come.
Okay,
you begin build.
okay.
Those processes for some people, they take time to do them. So now when they don't buy land first, some people, another set of people, they say when they buy land, they know they for that one, they just fence am. They go buy them 2 million, leave am for another 10 years. Maybe road no get that area, government don't come, NDDC or state government don't come do road there. As they don't come do road there, the place now don't come get value. That 2 million will come down to 10 million. That land they buy 2 million. 5 years ago, government come do road, do gutter, do everything. Flood, then they come there. And again and all that. You don't increase the money to 10 million. People go even they beg you for 9.5. So some people they go down their business.
They just buy land.
Keep. So when they don't buy keep first, they know they even care to come there. So they don't put anybody there. They will just lock up. So these boys can go and break the gate and be using the place. If the owner calls and goes, the government just want to use them small. They will keep the place busy. So no worry, nobody will take your land. People will say, okay, and my land, no. So that is how those land, they go hire the land from the owners.
Can you imagine?
If not, I would have said government should seize the land together with the fence.
So that means they take permission to enter the land.
No, they don't need them. They enter by power.